We're here to discuss a pipeline replacement project in the southern portion of Westlands Water District at the intersection of Lassen and Goodrich Avenues on lateral 27R. My name is Bill Pierce, and I serve as the Director of Operations and Maintenance for the district. This is a 1.7-mile-long pipeline project to replace 33-inch and 36-inch Techite pipe, which is also known as reinforced plastic mortar. This lateral moves water from the San Luis Canal towards the western edge of the district near Interstate 5 and serves over 3,000 acres of prime farmland. Some factors the district considers in selecting pipe material are pressure ratings, flexibility, costs, and longevity. For this particular project, we've selected HDPE, or high-density polyethylene, which has a 100-year lifespan. It is also very flexible and can withstand ground movement, such as experienced with subsidence or earthquakes. We have also relocated the pipe into the dirt roadway to avoid existing crops in order to minimize the impacts to our landowners on this particular project. We were proactive in its replacement to keep water distribution system operational for our water users. Everyone benefits when we have a reliable pipeline.